Hey boss babe, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Talks Like Boss, and today I'll be doing hair, makeup, and outfit. Make sure to keep it locked in right here because you're about to see from start to finish how I did my makeup, how I did my hair, and yeah, how you can get everything you see in this video. Without further ado, let's get this video started.
One life to live, but that's what me I go hard. Tomorrow no promise, so me no turn on me hard. Man live without limit, man in it to win it. Live without limit. Yeah.
Hey bosses, how you bosses doing? I mean, did you guys miss me or anything? Like, round of applause for the fact that your girl is on YouTube again. And even though I'm on YouTube today, I'm going out. It's early in the morning, but I went to a baby shower, and this is the look that I'm gonna be rocking. Everything in this video will be linked down below. I'm in a rush, and let's do it, shall we? This is the look for today. A 3-layer necklace with this outfit, and now I'm gonna add my guest wash. Everything will be listed down below, so make sure to cop it. I absolutely love this dress. This dress, I actually got it in a medium. Like I stated, this hair is from my Boss Beauty. It as quick as I can. because like I told you, boss babe, I'm on my way to a baby shower. So that's the reason why I'm in a rush. This dress was brought to you by Shein. Make sure to use my discount code to be able to purchase this dress that I'm wearing today in this video. I absolutely love it. I love the whole knit color and the black and the white kind of thing going on. I paired it up with my heels, which is a brown pair of heels. Where's up with that heels? I'm pairing it up with these heels right here because it kind of match the earring, so that's cute. And then I'm pairing it up with this purse. So even though they're off color, they're still cute together, and I absolutely love it. This is like the perfect look for a baby shower day. I hope you guys love this whole look, and I hope you guys definitely love the makeup because I absolutely love it. I feel like everything looks so amazing together. The description to get the dress. Check out the description to get the hair, to get everything you see in this video. That helps me a lot when you do that, so make sure to do that, okay? Really does help me a lot. But yeah, see you, boss babe, next time in my next video. I hope you enjoy this hair, makeup, and outfit. Bye bye.